Hey guys, Pumbaa here. Wanted to put an extra video out this week. Not really a gameplay, more of us just goofing off between games last weekend. Hope you enjoy it, and if you do, if you could like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Hope you enjoy.
Hey, you could probably make a compilation about how many times we slashed each other in the eyes.
Probably.
Woo!
What, me?
Hi, Kappa, unite. Cool.
Just let you down. Hey, put a contractor. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. It's warm.
Close your eyes. No, it's warm. I know it's warm. It's 1,500 lumens. 1,800 lumens. On your face, though. Like airsoft. Ah, my eyes. You're a dead giveaway. Fuck!
I'm beatboxing, so whenever you're playing music in this video, you can just cut the music and listen to my beatbox.
Where's he at? I wasn't gonna do that. Oh, hey! I just got the corner of my foot.
All that stuff.
I understand completely. I know.
Look at him. That was all bad. See your eyes. I see your eyes.
I really hope that's not the only gun he's playing with. It's not even loaded. That guy's only got a pistol. I hope that's not the only thing he's playing with.
No, you're playing with a pistol? I like the deal on that other one. Whatever. They're gonna trim it. Don't pull the trigger and stick a hair right now. I knew it was gonna happen. I started to move. Look, I saw the trigger. I'm like, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. So you know what would happen if I wouldn't have moved? He's like, let me get over this. His eyes roll back his.
Hey, let Will run it a little bit ahead and shoot him in the back. I'm going to. He didn't call it!
He called it. He called it. Hey, you run right there, son. I got that in. He'd have shot you blank right on. I was just trying to pick it up. But my bag's closed up good this time, right?
Yeah, I mean, I closed it. Yeah.
Oh my God! I did not mean to shoot you. I did not, honestly, I swear to God, I did not mean to shoot you. I did not mean to shoot you, I swear to God. He got the shade of those eyes. Good guy.
I mean, you can still see his eyes.
It's in my face. It's like showing off in the nose.
This is the one Will claimed he pushed further than me.
I did. One point I was ahead of him.
I had him.
On the way back, he was ahead of him.
He got out there before me. That's warm. I gotta put new batteries in this one.
Go straight. Quit it! You're talking to me. I want to try to hit that on the other one. Sure, Will. Sure.
It's okay. We're on your side.
new Nash. Plus.
Send nudes. For a second, I was trying to read it. I was like, wait. Probably his highlight story. Hey man, what's up, man? I dare you, bro. I dare you. I dare you.
Hey! That's all I was thinking.